Are you looking forward to share a testimony like this? Good, I got your attention. If you are really willing to learn how this come about, I will advise you watch this video to grab everything I'll be talking about. Meanwhile guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to GJS Global Consult YouTube channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you how you are going to be able to access your fund from a limited PayPal account even before 180 days. Hear me clearly. This is just going to be teaching you the perfect ways which you can be able to withdraw your cash, your money, your funds that are already locked in a permanently limited PayPal account. If this is what you're willing to learn how to do, I will advise you watch this video to the end so you grab every of the detailed information which I'll be passing across in this video, implement them and get a response just as this. This was someone that I helped with the guide which I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. So do well to watch this video to the end and do not forget to please subscribe and like this video. See you in the video. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to GJS Global Consult YouTube channel. So if it's your first time coming across our channel, I'm going to be asking you to do one simple thing, which is actually to turn on the bell icon, stay subscribed and also like this video, because in this particular channel we discuss so many vital informative content and valuable ones at that matter that is going to be helping you boost and solve problems, especially through for your business to grow and also scale higher. So please, if it's your first time, stay subscribed, stay notified and get all that is required to boost your business. So my name is Richard Ojuku. For those meeting me for the first time, in this particular video, as I've said already in the intro, I'll be teaching you, I'll be guiding you how you can be able to access your fund from a limited PayPal account even before 180 days. I believe it sounds surprising that you do not have to be waiting for 180 days before you access your PayPal fund. Meanwhile, I'll be heading to my screen to tell you what I did and how I navigated through it in solving and withdrawing this fund. So guys, see you in the video. So guys, welcome to the video. As you can see, this is a notification I got from PayPal indicating that the account has been permanently limited, and if you are in this situation, which means you cannot be able to access your fund any longer. So this is why I think it's better I create a video to teach you how you can be able to access your fund in such account. As you can see, this is a fund which was stuck in a limited account. So I'll be showing you the ways and procedures I used in order to access this fund. This fund was sent actually to this account and it got limited. So I will just stroll on to go on to the fund description. That's what you're going to be doing. You go on to the fund description, and once you go on to the fund description, you check out to see the details of the fund, like the description that brought in the fund, the transaction ID of the amount that was sent to your account. So once you are able to get to the transaction ID, you click on it. That is what you'll be doing. So once you go ahead and click on the transaction ID that brought this fund to your account, because that is the only means you'll be able to know how you can be able to access the fund since your account has been limited. So once you click on it, you go on to check to the last part. You see where it is written issue a refund. See where it is written issue a refund. So that is what you'll be clicking actually. So once you click on to issue a refund, the amount will be sent directly back to the sender. So which means once this amount is sent directly back to the sender, you also note that this sender should be someone you are going to be trusting with your fund. So you inform the person that you are going to be sending back the money so he can be able to send it to you through other means. So this is the simplest way to access your fund before 180 days. So if you really got value in this video, so I will advise you click to like and stay subscribed. I'll be dropping more tips in my next video. So guys, see you in the next video.